Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Wix account. This is a straightforward process that's essential to know, especially if you're working on a shared computer or simply want to secure your account when you're done working on your website. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by navigating to the Wix website. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Wix dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your websites and account settings. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll find your account drop-down menu. It's typically indicated by your profile picture or an avatar icon. Click on this drop-down to reveal the various account options available to you. This menu is your gateway to managing your profile, accessing settings, and performing account-related actions. Once you've clicked on the account dropdown, you'll see several options appear. On one side, you'll notice account settings, which allows you to customize your profile and preferences, but what we're focusing on today is the other side of this menu, where you'll see the log out button. This button is clearly labeled and easy to spot among the other options. Simply click on the log out button to sign out of your Wix account. This action will immediately disconnect you from your account and return you to the main Wix homepage or login screen. Logging out is an important security practice, particularly if you're using a public or shared device, as it ensures that no one else can access your account or make changes to your websites without your permission. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully logged out of your Wix account in just a couple of simple clicks. This quick process helps keep your account secure and your website projects protected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.